That's it, folks. We went through a lot of different strategies here. First off, congratulations on a great investment where you're making a whole lot of capital gains. Again, first world problems, good problems to have. Now you just have to find a way to offset it through the lazy 1031 exchange or getting passive losses with a real estate professional status strategy or reps, or go down one of the more advanced strategies that we mentioned: installment sale, opportunity zone, and some of the other more exotic options out there. Now, in essence, a lot of what we're doing here is just kicking the can down the road. But time value of money, if we're able to delay taxes, an extreme example, 30 years or to our death, we don't feel those taxes today and we shelter the taxes now. And thus we can take that extra money and then go and invest it. And that's the whole point of this. Now, here's the big disclaimer: I'm not a CPA. I'm just a person who implements these strategies for myself, and I help facilitate this within our mastermind group. And what I'll say is a lot of these best practices that we've used in the past have changed very quickly. I would say every other year, something changes to some extent. We actually find this kind of fun, but when you're new, I get it. It's can be quite daunting and very intimidating, which is why you need a group of other purely passive accredited investors out there. If you haven't checked out our mastermind, check it out at thewealthelevator.com/foom and see if you're a good fit. If you're looking for a CPA referral, check out my full tax guide at thewealthelevator.com/tax. Get educated first, empower yourself first, and go into the meeting with your CPA to have an educated conversation with him. You don't want to get steamrolled by most of these CPAs who are just not willing to look at ways that you want to be doing it, but they want to do it the easy way. Why? The easy way is easy for them so they can move off to the next client so they don't have to do things the hard way. Unfortunately, it's your job to push that you get the best service and outcome there. And I will say we also just scratched the surface with a lot of these techniques, and we didn't really want to get into the estate planning tactics, some of which, just to give you a little sense, is putting the asset into an irrevocable trust, having that up and taxes insulated in there. Thus, you lose control over it. But these are another path. If you're interested in that type of stuff and you have a net worth of $4 million or greater, that would probably need to facilitate in a one-on-one call. But we allow everybody to have a free onboarding call with myself. And if you're interested in that, go to thewealthelevator.com/club, book a call there. Or if you have any quick questions or feedback, shoot me an email, lane@thewealthelevator.com. Thanks.